and the petitioner has fulfilled all the criteria, but still she doesn't allow to get the admission, your lordship.
Where?
Your lordship, ITI, your lordship, and that is DTE, electrical engineering post, your lordship. So
The admission started.
at
When the admission started.
admission is going on, your lordship. That is why, your lordship, urgency is there, your lordship. Your lordship, she fulfilled all the criteria, and her name has been reflected in the merit list in serial number 6. And in spite of getting, your lordship, her seat, your lordship, her seat has been allotted to one waiting list person, that is Dipankar Malakar, your lordship. So, your lordship, kindly matter may list that
When it was allotted to Dipankar Malakar?
your lordship.
When it was allotted to Dipankar Malakar? When?
Your lordship, that is on 22/3/2023, your lordship. Her presentation was rejected on the ground of overage, your lordship.
So
After
on
that,
22nd of March, it was rejected.
yes, your lordship.
Today we are on 12th of April.
Your lordship, I was getting this brief, your lordship, on 4/4, your lordship.
You are getting brief is not the fact.
Your lordship,
It is
legal
still
service,
the-
legal service authority, your lordship, handed over me the brief, your lordship. And after getting the brief, your lordship, required documents is necessary. So, your lordship, within 2 days
She
time
has
period.
come to legal service authority.
Yes, your lordship.
Why? What is the reason for approaching her for legal service authority?
Your lordship, I don't know that, your lordship, instance, your lordship. I'm appearing
Who can
as
apply
a
for legal
standing
service authority? Not all. The act provides for whom?
woman, your lordship. She is Gitika Banik, your lordship.
Woman is there, that's fine. But who can claim for such benefit?
Maybe financially hardship, your lordship. I am not aware of the facts.
Before one. Before one,
Yes, your lordship. Deeply
from the
obliged.
IIT lawyers, Mr. Kapati and others.
Deeply obliged.
May I please the lordship, I beg to list on contempt case of 2020 on 24th of April, lordship. It was last posted on 24th April, lordship. That day it was left over.
26th.
26th. Obliged, lordship.
Maybe lordship, under instruction of my client, I want to do item number 22. Item number 22. 22.
Wait for some time. Immediately after mentioning the pass.
Lordship, I beg to, I'm paying for an adjournment in item number 19, your lordship. Yes. Mr. S. Bhattapur is out of station today. Your lordship. Yes, much obliged.
May I please, lordship? Item number 8, lordship. It may come after application. 8. Obliged, lordship.
May it please your lordship, I have already circulated the adjournment slip. Like to mention item number 25. Lordship, a date may be fixed.
It will come. We are not giving any dates. It's up to the registrar.
Obliged.
My please, your lordship, with regard to item number 5, my lord, the matter has become infructuous, my lord.
What's your good name?
B. Sekia.
On instruction. Did not listen.
Much.
Item 5, right?
Yes, my lord.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matter after Bihu vacation, lordship.
With the urgency or the matter.
Lordship, the matter pertains to appointment of principal of higher secondary school. Lordship, the
Appointment of regular principal or principal in charge?
regular principal, lordship.
When the selection was held?
Huh?
When the selection was held? Not read the brief. That will not help you. That's the reason we are asking. You can rent your assignment, no problem. But how will you learn?
Lordship, And Lordship,
28.
highly obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I
Just
beg
a
to
minute.
mention item number 6,
On
Lordship.
28, 20.
Lordship, item number 6 for adjournment for the day, Lordship. The engaged council is not.
May I
Highly
please, your
obliged.
Lordship? I wish to mention for item number 16. Matter may be
16.
Lordship.
What's your prayer, madam?
Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day.
May it be pleased, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Lordship. Matter may be adjourned for a week.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18. I seek adjourn for the day. I have taken consent from the other side.
Yes. Where is it? This is
Not
what Mr. S.U. Ahmed planned. And Mr. P. Bora, Standing Council Department of School. For the rest of the members, 1 4. On instruction to petition, Mr. S.U. Ahmed and Council is not pressing this petition.
Matter.
Yes,
May I, this is your lordship.
any idea what happened in between? Police has submitted the report.
My lord, what has happened during the course, my lord, pursuant to an order, my lord, passed by this honorable court. My lord, I have to again go for a fresh admission in the, my lord, Rajdhani Public School. And the earlier session, my lord, 1 year I have lost, my lord. Now, my lord, as a result of the fault of both the schools, Sanskrit Vidyapit and as well as the Rajdhani School, my lord, my 1 year has already, my daughter's 1 year has already lost. That is the situation. So, my lord, this is a pure act of negligence. And my lord, although the registration fees, my lord, which I have deposited, they have accepted and acknowledged. But my lord, the further course they did not carry it on. My lord.
Read your prayers.
My lord. So more particularly, the respondent number 3, 4, and 5 needful for the purpose of tabulation of marks. Milord, yes, Milord. The tabulation of marks, Milord, when I went to Milord, the Central Board of Secondary Education personally to know, Milord, that they did not carry out the tabulation of the marks because, Milord, they could not find my registration, Milord. Then when I come up before this honorable court, Milord, then during the course of, Milord, the hearing, it reveals from the Secondary Board of Secondary Education that both the school did not place my records before the Central Board of Secondary Education, Milord. Even, Milord, the police was also, Milord, acting, and there is a direction from this honorable court also. Now, Milord, one thing I have to submit fairly, Milord. At this moment, I have already passed out, and I am a student of the college now. But the, Milord, the loss, Milord, which has been incurred to the, Milord, my daughter, Milord, that is required to be compensated, Milord. That they cannot be given a free hand.
Sir, asking you what are the prayers?
No, that, yes, Milord, the prayers are like that, Milord, because when we move this honorable court, Milord, we do not know that what was the exact situation because the tabulation by the CBSE was not carried on. Milord. That was the cause of action at that relevant period of time, Milord, when we filed this petition.
Whether money can buy time?
My lord, I have to submit, my lord, fairly before my lordship. That is not possible, but time is more precious than money, my lord.
That's what, even
My
if you are
lord.
paid the compensation.
But my lord, they should, if this is allowed to happen, my lord, and it can be happen to any other student also, my lord. This is a pure act of, my lord, negligence. And corruption is also involved, my lord. The money which I have
Whether
deposited,
the,
my lord.
the petitioner wants the money, or do you want that the money should be deposited in the?
No, my lord, the amount which is very negligible, my lord, 12,500, but it is a hard-earned money, my lord. Hard-earned money of my parent, my lord. But now, my lord, what relief we can get, my lord, we can be,
After depositing the said amount,
my lord.
when did you deposit that amount?
My lord may be pleased to find my receipt, my lord, is at page 29, my lord. This is, my lord,
You have deposited this amount on 23rd of April.
23rd of April 2020
For
and
which
on
session?
my lord registration
For which session?
my lord, it is for the, my lord, registration for the class 10, my lord. Then, my lord, again on 12/8/2020, my lord, at page 30, my lord, this is for the class 10 registration fees.
Now just tell us one thing.
My lord.
This is for admission renewal fee 20,400.
My lord. Then at page 30 is the registration fees, my lord.
Page 30.
30, my lord. Class 10.
Where is the original receipt?
Yes. At next page, my lord, may be pleased to find at page 31, my lord. It is been, my lord, acknowledged or received by the Sanskrit Vidyapit, wherein, my lord, I was a student, my lord.
Why in that Kacha receipt?
My lord.
Why in this Kacha receipt?
Lord, this is the receipt. This is the receipt maintained by the school, my lord.
What is the last date for admission? For registration of class 10?
No, my lord, this fees was deposited before the last date of registration. Before the last, it has not been disputed by the anybody, my lord. Even the CBSE has also not disputed, my lord. Lord, today my senior friend is absent, my lord. On the last occasion, R.B. Bora madam appeared, my lord.
What happened? The student's result was not declared on 2021.
No, result was declared, my lord. Only my result, my lord, I could not, my lord, it was not, could not, my lord.
Petitioner appeared in the examination in 21.
My lord.
Class 10 examination 21. Right?
Yes, my lord.
Then whether her result was declared or not?
No, my result was not declared. Even my tabulation was not carried out because the registration was not there in the CBSE.
So you appeared again on 22nd.
Yes, my lord. On the next session, my lord, I appeared through the Rajdhani Public School, my lord. Not through the Sanskrit Vidyapit, my lord. And my lord, all together, my lord, I have to incur a heavy financial loss, my lord. I have to again go for the Rajdhani Public School admission, registration. Many difficulties, my lord, I have to come up, my lord.
Who is representing Rajdhani Public School?
No, my lord, no one has appeared, my lord. No one has appeared. We have taken steps and it is well within the knowledge of the Rajdhani Public School also, my lord, regarding the proceeding, my lord. If my lord may be pleased to peruse the order dated 15/9, that we have seen. My lord, that will reflect, my lord. Cases, my lord, like that, my lord, that due to the negligence of both the schools. And I don't know, my lord, that why they did not proceed with the for the purpose of my registration. That has also not been disclosed, my lord. Although the everything, my lord, document as well as the fees which is required for the purpose, even, my lord, so much amount is also not required for the registration. Only some 450, 100 rupees is required for the purpose of registration. They have taken 12,500 for registration.
That's it. Sorry, RP. Counsel for the petition. Though petitioner deposited her registration fee. Technically, petitioner was a student of Sanskriti Vidyapith. SIL, SAP, Baghara, Morigaon. Affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education. For her admission past in same school. That's it with the petitioner on 23/04/2020 deposited an amount of 16,000 and further deposited 12,500 on 12th of August 2020 towards registration. Though petitioner appeared in a class 10 CBSE examination. Year 2021. Because of non-depositing of the registration fee. She was without any registration number for which her result could not be declared by the CBSE. And this was filed on 16/8/2021 by the petitioner, paying amongst others number 19 A and B. Directly respondents, more particularly the CBSE, Sanskriti Vidyapith, Sakur, Rajdhani Public School, Nazira Kachnapur. For the purpose of tabulation of class 10, our class 10 board examination, tabulation of marks for our class 10 board examination 2021. And further, to direct the CBSE to do the needful for the purpose of registration of her name as a student of class 9 of Sanskriti Vidyapith. The meanwhile, The mother of the petitioner lodged an FIR against the principal of Sanskriti Vidya and other authorities of the said such and such. It was registered as Morigaon Police Station, case number 533 of 2021, section 120. Mr. Bhuyan, counsel appearing for a petition submitted. That in the meanwhile, after losing the valuable academic year 2020, due to fault of the respondent authorities, the petitioner passed her class 10 examination in the year 2022 and is undergoing her higher secondary course. This to notice returnable by petitioner is represented by her mother. Question number. As any CGC is here? Are we Borat? Notice. It's a census. Steps on restaurant number 4 and 5 by raising.
Mal.
May please allow. Lordship, the matter regarding compassionate abandonment, Lordship. The father of the petitioner died in the year of 2007, that is 16/4/2007, Lordship. And after the demise of the father of the petitioner, the mother of the petitioner applied for the post law, submitted a representation, but that representation was not considered. Thereafter, the petitioner submitted a representation, that is application, in the year of 2020, Lordship.
The mother is receiving pension.
Yes, Lordship. And I have annexed that in my affidavit, Lordship, filed on 18/1/2022, Lordship.
on 2307. Mother of the petitioner submitted an application for her compassionate appointment for the block elementary education officer. Job, which was forwarded by the state authority on 2307/2007. The Deputy Inspector of Schools, Guwahati. However, the her mother of the petitioner was not appointed on compassionate ground in spite of her application. At the time of death of his father, petitioner was 11 years old. And after passing his higher secondary, mother of the petitioner is receiving. Petitioner, after passing his higher secondary examination in science year 2014 and on obtaining the age of majority, 0809/2020 submitted an application before the block elementary for consideration of his case for compassionate appointment on the date of his father, Muhammad Arman Ali, who died in 1974. As application considered by the district level committee for compassionate appointment, district Kamrup district. Petitioner has filed this application on 13/08/2021, praying amongst others for a direction to the responding authorities on his appointment in the education department on compassionate ground, and to consider his representation dated 0809/2020 submitted before the block elementary education officer. Now, it concerns for the respondents. On the other hand, submitted that compassionate appointment is not a matter of right, and that the petitioner belatedly, after more than 13 years, on 0809/2020 submitted an application for this compassionate appointment. Right behind the 16/7. Petitioner himself stated that আবেদন কমপ্লেইন মানুহ আহি ইয়াতে এবছৰ ভিতৰত দিয়া নাই গতিকে বেছিকৈ মেজৰিটি এট দি এজ অফ অন এথনিক দি এজ অফ 18 years. During India 2014. Whereas filed his application for compassionate appointment India 2020, 6 years after the reading. Considering the above case of the petition, next of the power under it.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, that the Angus Council Bikelas is on leg minor. He is in court number 5. So lordship kindly pass over the matter for time.
Ask him to come for the order.
My lord, the matter pass over for a time being, my lord. My lord, today, my lord, advocate, my lord, the arrest one, my lord, even likes my lord, another for me. Just inform me.
During discuss, my lord, carrier pencil is not been paid. I didn't see it.
SCRT, Mr. S. Bora IPS, right? Or B. Gogoi IPS?
B. Gogoi, S. Bora, both are appearing. Both of the
Ask
studying.
Mr. Gogoi to be here.
My lord, my lord.
Last provision, my lord, instruction was sought for.
Yes, 5/8/22 order dated 5/8/22 Lordship, and we have received the instruction Lordship. Yes, sir.
We have challenged the Milord impugn order that your lordship will find at page 80.
Sharma.
Now, in the impugned order, Lordship has seen the petitioner has been purportedly segregated from the benefits to be provided to the person who are working similarly the petitioner in various colleges. It is very purportedly. Now, man who has served in a college for 17, 18 years, he has spoiled his entire career. Now they are saying that you are not included in the area covered by the circular, so and so, so and so. Now, what for this circular? Now, man is 45 years old, who is fighting till date. So many college teachers have been provincialized, regularized under the said circular. And finally, my lord, against the impugned speaking order 18/7/2022, he has prepared an appeal before the Commissioner and Secretary. That is also pending, my lord. That has not been, my lord, till date has not been called. Appeal dated, my lord, 27/7/2022.
What Mr. M. Mondal, council appearing for the petition.
Subsequent development is there, my lord. Now, my lord, he has recently, my lord, removed as a, my lord, contractual teacher from the particular college by a particular resolution, my lord, dated, my lord, 2/8/2022. That has been challenged, my lord, already. That has been challenged and some order has been passed. Lordship will find.
Which petition?
Yes, my lord, in WBC number 1785, public 2023. Notice was issued. Some interim petition has been granted.
Does this matter?
Yes.
1785. 1785 of?
Yes, my lord, I have passed over the order, my lord. 1785 of 2023. On some interim protection also, my lord, provided. Listen.
26, 27.
My lord, order dated, my lord, 31/3.
Have it on 20, 20.
20, my lord. This month, my lord. NHB, my lord, after 25th, my lord. I have some, yes.
In that case, we will have on 28.
28. Please, Lopez.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, here, your lordship, appointment under compassionate ground, your lordship. The father of the petitioner died on 12/9/2007, your lordship. It was second round of litigation, your lordship. Earlier also approached this honorable court and accordingly the district level committee recommended my name, your lordship. Ultimately, the state level committee, your lordship, has rejected my claim, your lordship. Your lordship will find the rejection at page 47, your lordship, by the state level committee. Table, third table, your lordship, from the top. Page 47, your lordship.
What is the direction issued earlier by the court?
Your lordship, it has been mentioned the state level committee rejected the claim of the candidate on the ground that the candidate was a minor at the time of submission of application. His age was 16 years, 10 months, 5 days on the date of application, your lordship. Actually, my mother made an application, your lordship, immediately after attaining the age of majority, your lordship. I have also made an application, your lordship. At the time of that earlier writ petition, your lordship, no objection was raised, your lordship, in this regard.
My lord, where is the rejection?
Some page number
Rejection.
47. 47, Your Lordship.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, I have received certain instruction, my lord. The court order, my lord, 24/2017, my lord, matter was placed and rejected by the DLC.
DLC.
DLC, my lord. That is, my lord, on instruction. That I think.
23A. Was recommended.
My lord, initially, my lord, 2010 and 11, my lord, case was placed before the DLC. That has rejected. Subsequently, after the honorable court order 2009, my lord, 24/2014 rejected, my lord. Same reason. But thereafter, why, my lord, DLC again placed the matter before the DLC, my lord, that has not in this instruction, my lord. That is 24/2014, my lord. I mark it as serial number 7, my lord. Next page is serial number 7, my lord. And that statement is there, my lord.
Where is the petitioner's name?
My lord, next page, my lord, there is a horizontal page, my lord. I have marked it as serial number 7, my lord, red mark. In the first page of the DLC itself, my lord, in the last portion. His name referred as serial number 7, my lord.
Get this information in which DLC it was considered.
My lord, that is
Proposal was already placed before earlier DLC.
DLC, my lord,
but could
rejected,
not be
my lord.
considered.
My lord.
And meanwhile, validity period is already over, right?
My lord.
If it is the petitioner hearing. Get this information when it was placed before the concerned DLC.
My lord, that is, my lord, enclosed by the petitioner, my lord, in this petition. My lord.
The DLC in its meeting held on June 2014.
My lord.
Rejected the case of the petition.
My lord.
Wherein there is an observation, the case of the petitioner was earlier considered, but could not be considered. That's what we want, when it was considered.
My lord, that was in the first page itself, my lord.
When?
That is not specified.
You should get that information.
My lord.
Not Mr. Yam, counsel.
Instruction. Not reject position. Who you delay deal to miss second time?
Department Education. And Mr. P. Saikya, to completion and appointment.
I am 3, 5, and 6 minutes.
This case was considered by the district level committee. Compassionate appointment of on 21/12/2021. Pursuant to the order of the court. Dated 29/07/2009. 6/2009. Say decision of the recommendation of the DLC South Salmon was rejected by the state level committee in its meeting. 1010320. On the ground, at the time of death of the father of the petitioner, he was 16 years, 10 months. 5 days. And his application of petitioner appointment was after more than 1 year. Petitioner agreed with the decision of the SLC dated 101032022. Mr. Sekia, Lanet Government released the 44 that the district level committee for completion of appointments of Salmara considered the case completion and appointment on 21/12/2021, whereas the order of report was of 29/07/2009 in the petition number 3056/2009. It was preferred by the petitioner. Placing a copy of the minutes of the DLC South Salmar Dubri Mr. Saikir submitted. The case of the petitioner was considered for the second time on 20/06/2014. The case of the petitioner was considered by the DLC for the second time 20/06/2014. This was rejected, which clearly reflects that petitioner's case was also considered by the said DLC, but could not be recommended. It is to be noted hearing that the district of South Palmyra before becoming a district, the South Palmyra South Palmyra was under the jurisdiction of the state of Green. Subdivision of on the next day fixed, the for proper adjudication of this case, the Deputy Commissioner of Dhubri, Deputy Commissioner District Dhubri, as well as the Inspector of Schools, Dhubri District Circle Dhubri, be implemented as party respondent numbers 7. Mr. P. Seke and Ms. Sanchez and yes, the next date fixed. Inspector Deputy Commissioner Dhubri, as well as the Inspector of Schools, Dhubri, respondent number 7 and 8, shall apprise the court as to when the case of the petitioner was first considered for completion and appointment by the DLC Dhubri. Since the said DLC in its meeting held on 20/06/2014 observed that the proposal for completion and appointment of the petitioner was placed earlier before the DLC, but could not be considered. Copy of this order. Petitioner shall serve two extra copies of this. Respondent numbers, numbers 7 and 8. Placed on 18th of May.
I beg pardon, your lordship. Your lordship, can I have a copy of the instruction, your lordship? He may be.
Mr. Sakia will give.
Yeah, pleasure. Lordship, this is compassionate appointment, my lord. My father died on, my lord, 37/2012, my lord. Thereafter, I applied on compassionate appointment, my lord, 14/11/2012, my lord. The LC meeting was held on, my lord, 5/10/2021, my lord. In that meeting, my lord, the LC minutes his lordship in Excel 4, page 16, my lord. Relevant pages, my lord, 20, my lord. My name is serial number 58, my lord. Applicant, my application was rejected on the ground that, my lord, applicant was underqualified with 45% marks in higher secondary examination against the requisite qualification of 50% marks in the same examination at the time of application, my lord. So my limited chair is that, my lord, this matter may be remanded to the DLC for fresh consideration as per my qualification, my lord.
Where is your application?
Application I have not.
Where is your application for compassionate appointment?
Sir, I have not annexed.
Where is it? Do you have a copy?
This is your best today.
Disorder.
Lordship,
Where is the illegality in disorder?
lordship, ground, my lord,
Where is the illegality in disorder?
DLC may consider my case as per my qualification, my lord.
When did you apply for your compassionate appointment?
I applied on 14/11/2012.
Now please come to page number 20, serial number 58. Read the reasons.
Page number 2058, my lord. Applicant was underqualified with 45% marks in higher secondary examination against the requisite qualification of 50% marks in the same examination at the time of it.
So at the time of application,
Yes, my lord.
that is why you're asking you where is the illegality.
Yes, my lord.
Then if you say that your reappeared in the betterment examination 2018 and 19, we have to file a fresh application. Then what will happen?
DLC may consider my case.
Consider is there.
As per my qualification or any other post, my lord. Accepted.
For which post you have applied for?
Application is not an action.
You have applied for grade 3.
Grade 3, my lord.
We annex the 2015 application to the OM.
No, my lord.
I have a copy of it. And how to keep 21 aspects.
Yes, madam. One thing just to clarify, this particular office memorandum
Yes, Lordship.
doesn't specify that if a person is cannot be considered in grade 3, he should be considered for grade 4.
Yes, sir.
But there is a judgment
Yes, sir.
that relates to the earlier office memorandums for compassionate appointment. Can you tell us which particular, whether in the decision of Achyut Ranjan Das, was there any such finding that if the concerned person cannot be considered for grade 3, it should be considered for grade 4?
Yes.
Was it there?
If
You know, Achyut Ranjan Das, there was no such finding, but it was in a judgment of justice. I pay we could read.
in any other available vacancy. Yes. The judgment of Achyut Ranjan Lordship in paragraph 7, Lordship. Here it is mentioned that it will be pertinent to mention here that the government of Assam in the Department of Personnel has issued office OM dated 2/3/2009 on the subject of revised guidance for appointment and compensation to the widow or son or unmarried daughter or adopted unmarried daughter of a government who died in harness with a view to give immediate assistance, financial assistance to the family of the deceased in a class 3 or 4. 4 post, so not above, Lord.
Class 3 or 4?
4, Lordship.
Hmm.
Not above the level of LDA.
No, but
Yes.
subsequent to that, there was a judgment. In Achyut Ranjan Das, there was no such finding.
Yes,
If
Lordship.
there is no vacancy in grade 3,
Grade
it should
3,
be considered
they are
for
in
grade
grade
4.
Yes, sir.
But subsequent to that, there was a judgment.
Yes, sir.
The Justice Baipi, they will find a judgment where, if not considered for grade 3, it can be considered for grade 4.
Yes, sir. After vacation, Lordship, then I will go to.
Find out, find out.
Yes, sir.
Was this particular OM?
Yes, sir.
Provides just note down 14(6).
14(6).
14.6 and 15. This provision, and we'll fix it after vacation.
Yes, Lord.
That judgment.
In this case, Lord, perhaps Lord, we have not served a copy, Lord. Our name has not been shown in the cause list also. Lord. I can.
District level committee for compassionate appointment. Lakandi. In its meeting held on 5/10/2021, rejected the case of the petitioner for his compassionate appointment against Gayatri post. The office of the inspector of schools, Lakandi. No, district limited. Not district limited. On the ground, on finding that the applicant was underqualified with 45% of marks in higher secondary examination against the requisite qualification of 50 marks in the same examination at the time of application. Petitioner in his petition stated that he applied for his compassionate appointment on 14/11/2012. And by appearing in determined examination under improvement scheme, Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, he secured 55 marks in Bengali in the year 2018 and 50 marks in political science in the year 2019, which was not considered by PLC. However, it is the admitted condition that at the time of filing the application for compassionate appointment on 14/11/2012, petitioner had less than 50% of marks in higher secondary examination. List on 27th, enabling the 27th. 2nd of May, enabling the petition to place the 11 in support of this case. The districts are reflect the name of Common Advocate Assam for the responding numbers.
Number 3.
Number 3 along with the standing council. Other
Please proceed.
Yes, Mr. Radha.
Matter pertains to a compassionate appointment, my lord. And your lordship may kindly on the DLC order is at page, my lord. Page 33, my lord. To him, Vishwas Saito, say, Tarun Vishwas, assistant teacher. This case was rejected only on the ground that his father has less than of 3 years service left at the credit of the government employee. And this honorable court, my lord, recently and batch of petitions, my lord, said clause was already quashed.
The state has preferred any appeal?
No,
Yes, Lord. But it was not listed. It was already filed, Lordship. Appeal has been filed against this order, Lord. But
Mr. Alam, do you have a copy of that? Do you have the judgment?
yes, my lord, I have a copy of the judgment, my lord.
Just give us the citation.
1646 of 2021, my lord. My lord, I have a copy, my lord.
Decided on?
Decided on, my lord. 31, 2023, my lord.
3103.
Yes, my lord.
31st of March.
no,
No, my lord,
January.
30th January.
January.
January, my lord, 23.
30th of January.
30th January, my lord.
13.
30.
30.
30, my lord.
Already appeal has been filed, Lordship, but it is not listed.
Third, Mr. Alam, consideration for the petition. And
Order copy of the
let's see, Coupon Government Advocate Standing Council of Education for phone numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Related MSc transform
number 3.
Other of the petitioner expired. Assistant teacher of Asgram ME School, the Korimganj Education Block of District Korimganj, died in harness on 28/02/2007. At the time of death of his father, petitioner was 15 years old. Petitioner, year 2013. December 2013, submitted his application for compassionate appointment. The district level committee for compassionate appointment. Where is the rejection or?
That is at place, my lord.
33.
Page 33, my lord. And DLC meeting held on, my lord, 17/9/2022, my lord.
Minutes. Meeting held on 17th of September 2022. Rejected the case of the petitioner for compassionate appointment on the ground that at the time of death of the father of the petitioner while in service, had less than 3 years of service tenure, and as such, in terms of the office memorandum that is 0106 2015, clause 4 in bracket 1 rejected the case of the petitioner for this compassionate appointment. Petitioner submitted that during pendency of this petition by common judgment and order 30/01/2023, first in application number 161, ordinary bench of this court set aside the said clause 4 in bracket small Roman 1, wherein was incorporated, wherein in the office number 01/06/2015 for compassionate appointment it was incorporated that benefit of compassionate appointment shall not be applicable in cases that the governments are at less than 3 years to retire at the time of on the date from which he has been missing or dead. Hence, the case of criminal is considered. However, it does that the state respondent in the payment has put an appeal. The said order is 30/01/2023. First in the application number 16167. It's on 11th May, enabling Ms. D. as government to apprise the court of seconds of the same required by the state government. State order is 13/01.
This matter regarding compassionate appointment, my lord, petitioner before your lordship was, my lord, minor when his father died, my lord. And father died, my lord, and mother applied. In the meantime, my lord, unfortunately, my lord, mother also expired. Being, my lord, the compassionate applicant of compassionate appointment, my lord, due to the death of her husband, my lord. Then, my lord, petitioner applied, my lord. He stated, my lord, in the application, my lord, and his certificate, my lord, showing, my lord, date of birth is, my lord, page 27, my lord.
Expired on 17th of December 2016.
Yes, my lord.
Subsequent notification came into effect from which date?
2017, lordship.
1st of April 2016.
Is, my lord, the certificate, my lord, showing, my lord, date of birth, my lord, the page 27, my lord.
Notification dated 14 September 2017, lordship. In page 24.
Page 24, my lord, it came into force, my lord, page 25, my lord. Clause, my lord, the last part, my lord. Page 25, 5.11, my lord. It came in force, my lord, 1/4/2017, my lord. But he died before that, my lord. He died on, my lord, 17/12/2016. Lord. So, my lord, I humble prayer is that, my lord, DLC may consider, my lord, case. Lord.
Where is your application?
My lord, his last application, my lord,
Your application.
yeah, page 28, my lord.
When your mother applied?
Mother applied, my lord, date is not given, my lord.
Where is your first application?
First application, my lord, I have not annexed, my lord.
Have you filed or not?
My lord, as per this application, my lord, he submitted, my lord, earlier application submitted by mother and my lord,
Earlier application submitted by his mother, lordship. Petitioner 29/10/2022, lordship. Petitioner submitted the application.
Yes, madam.
We have to take instruction whether his mother's case was considered by the
Mr.
DA.
M. Baldwin, counsel appearing for the petition. Five. As well as MS, that's wrong. Number.
In this case, deputy commissioner is not made a party, lordship. Only chief secretary is party, lordship.
For authentication of this case, Deputy Commissioner Achar Signature PMP, that's party, that's my number 6. That's all. That's one. There pertains to completion of appointment under the divine hand of the state. Order of the petitioner. A teacher of 59 number Orai Kandi War Primary School under Lokipur Education Block. Kachar died in Handis on 17/12/2016. While the petitioner was a minor, 16 years. As such, his mother, widow of the deceased, and Bima Kumar Singh, the father of the petitioner, applied for compassionate appointment immediately after the death of his father, but before consideration of her case to expire 2020. Thereafter, petitioner submitted an application for his compassionate appointment. Petitioner that he again on 29/10/2022 submitted an application which is yet to be considered. On attending the review. On the next day fixed, the Deputy Inspector of Schools, Sir Kacharasan, as well as the Deputy Commissioner Kachar Sir, shall apprise the court the mother of the petitioner and Chandramala Devi submitted any application for and if so, the status of the Deputy Inspector of Schools shall also apprise the petitioner on 05/01/2021 submitted application for reporting and if so, its status. Based on 11th of May.
Compliant.
Please, Your Lordship. Regarding compassionate appointment, Your Lordship, my mother was died on 15/6/2016, and I applied on 4/7/2016, Your Lordship. Case 14 will find, Your Lordship, the application.
Based on 05/2023. And applying the Deputy Commissioner, Dorhat, respondent number 3, as well as the District Elementary Education Officer, Dorhat, respondent number 4. Apprise the court about the status of the application of the petitioner dated 04/07/2016 for her compassionate appointment, date of her mother, Minarani Ghosh, head teacher of 490, number Thonpului, THANKHULOI, Lower Primary School, under the Northwest Block Education Block of District Dorhat, who died in harness on 15/06/2016. Petitioner copy of the disorder to Miss for their necessary use. Take the copies today itself.
Hello. Lord, 15 may kindly be passed over, my Lord. Angus counsels are in another court, Your Lord.
Are you in the case?
No, my Lord. Two may be taken up, my Lord.
You may not sit in the two.
Yes, my Lord. For the timing may be passed over. I am appearing on behalf of M. Hussain. Case, my Lord. This is the
This is against the president of the SMDC of a high school, your lordship. Here in this case, my lord, the petitioner and the respondent number C, along with others, offered their candidature for the post of president of SMDC, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, the respondent number 6 has been appointed as president of the SMDC. Against the president, there is some allegation. The complaint filed by the guardians of the students of the school before the deputy commissioner.
What is the order of appointment of
My lord, at page 19, my lord, it's the 11th part at page 19. Serial number 86, your lordship.
Annexure 2 continues, close at page 19.
Mahesh Chandra Academy, Malek Rustam,
96?
86, your lordship. Serial number. Mahesh Chandra Academy, name of school, your lordship. Thereafter, my lord, on complaint was filed, my lord, by the guardians, by the petitioner, along with the guardians of the students of the school, your lordship, against the president of the SMDC. My limited prayer is that, my lord, that the respondent authority may be directed to dispose of this complaint. Page 22.
The recommendation of the guardian minister. The deputy commissioner, Dhubri, as well as the inspector of schools, Dhubri, by notification number, the deputy commissioner, by notification number PLC oblique SMDC oblique 2021 oblique 11 dated 29/03/2022. Recommended the name of the petitioner, name of the respondent number 6 of the president of Mahesh Chandra Academy High School, Umar Doha, DUMARDAHA, in the district of Dhubri. President of the School Management Development Committee of such and such school. Being agreed, petitioner has preferred, has filed this petition 09/11/2022. Challenging the said recommendation. Respondent number 6. I think that there are lots of allegations against him for his involvement in various illegal activities. Written by such and such, no formal notice. 1, 2,
and 4 of it.
for which lesson this is. We are just government. 5 and 6 days the post. Call for the records.
Yes.
Most obliged.
Records and will it will be
May I please, Your Lordship? My application has been rejected. It's 27 year, Lordship. After 21 years My application has been placed before the DLC and rejected on the ground of principle 10, Your Lordship, of the notification. In 27 page number, my name appeared at serial number 2, Your Lordship. Similarly situated case, Your Lordship, already interfered, Your Lordship. Case 36, Your Lordship, in similar situated case, Your Lordship, in the same list from.
Where is your application?
Application, I have not annexed, Your Lordship. As per page 27, date of application is 13/7/1999. May remand back in the light of the order dated 28/2/2022. Page 36.
Where is the where is the rejection?
Page 27, Your Lordship.
Where is your number?
Serial number 2, Farida Hannan, Your Lordship.
Where is the illegality?
Lordship, kindly come to page 36, Your Lordship. Already dealt with, Your Lordship, by this order. Principle 10 is not applicable in this case, Your Lordship. That has been held and interfered. In Lordship, in page 27, serial number 5, this is the case of serial number 5, Your Lordship, page 27. Same fact, Your Lordship. Page 38, Your Lordship, paragraph 6 and 7, Your Lordship. Both the cases are same fact, Your Lordship. Considering this, remand back to Your Lordship for fresh consideration.
Lord Mr. P. Rahman, Lord Counsel appearing for the and before 1, 2, 4, as it is government.
All right, file number 3.
Mother of the petitioner, assistant teacher of North Salmara Lower Primary School, Mayapuri. Died in harness on 31/03/2017. Died in harness on 04/07/1998. She stated that on 13/07/1999, she filed an application before the District Elementary Education Officer Bongaigaon for consideration of her case for compassionate appointment. Her said application for compassionate appointment was considered by the district level committee for compassionate appointment Bongaigaon in its meeting held on 21/09/2021 and rejected her case for compassionate appointment on the ground of on finding that though the applications for compassionate appointment made during the year 1999, 2006 and 2007, but the DEO Bongaigaon did not submit such proposals before the DLC meetings held in consecutive years till such date 21/09/2021. Since all those applications submitted for all those applications for submitted on 1999, 2006, 2007, and 2017 were pending for consideration and only placed on 21/09/2021. That is after more than 2 years from the date of death of the concerned deceased nominee. The DLC, following the office memorandum, Children number ABP.50/2006 with PT 182 dated 01/06/2015 rejected the case of the petitioner along with four others. Mr. Rahman and counsel appearing for the petition submitted that one of such rejected candidate out of such 5, along with the petitioner, Mehboob Ali, earlier approached this court against such rejection of its candidature for compassionate appointment by TLC Bongaigaon in writ petition WPC number 1356/2022, wherein the court by order dated 28/02/2022 demanded back the matter to the DLC again for necessary consideration, since Principle 10 of the said office memorandum dated 01/06/2015 is not applicable to the said petitioner. After the said order dated 28/02/2022, the petitioner has filed his writ petition on 22/12/2022. Against similar rejection of her candidature for compassionate appointment rejected by the TLC Bongaigaon on 21/09/2020. Petitioner has also annexed a copy of the said office memorandum number ABP.502006 PT/182 dated 01/06/2015 as an excerpt. The petitioner admitted the fact that her mother expired on 04/07/1998 and she filed her application for compassionate appointment on 13/07/1999. Principle of the clause Z. 3 of the said office memorandum dated 01/06/2015 clearly indicates that every eligible dependent seeking appointment under the said OM shall make an application for appointment compassionate ground in the prescribed format with all enclosures within 1 year from the date of date. In the case of Fazlun Nisa and others reported in such and such, this court has also laid down that such application for compassionate appointment of the government deceased employee under the Dine scheme should be made only within 1 year from the date of the deceased government employee. In the case in hand, the petitioner applied for her compassionate appointment after 1 year of the date of her mother. Considering the above, this petition being reverted by stance. Compassionate appointment.
Page number 30, Lordship, contempt. Paragraph number 26.
Pertains to non-compliance of the order. 24/03/2020 judgment and order. First, WPC number 652/9/2022. So notice returnable by 8 weeks. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice to be responded by registered post office.
Obliged.
Lordship, so we have Lordship.
Yes. Would you like to say?
Lordship, college principal's report is also next page, Lordship. They have, Lordship, again they advertised the post, Lordship, and send one persons, and that was not acted upon by the directorate also, Lordship. That second,
This is yesterday's matter.
yesterday's matter, Lordship has directed us to obtain instructions regarding. Earlier was not done, Lordship, due to the not approval of the roster register, Lordship. At that point of time by the government, Lordship. And another aspect is also there, Lordship, during that period of time, Lordship, that there is a ban from the authorities also, Lordship, regarding appointment, Lordship.
File is short.
Lordship, Lordship, will do.
This is the issue. Clear?
Will do, Lordship, will do.
Third Mr. and we are also appearing for this. Mr. K. Gogol, standing counsel had education. For the responding members, one.
Lordship for 1 and 2.
No petitioner belongs to civil category and was selected for laboratory bearer in grade 4 against a vacant section post of Deepul College. It is contended that in spite of his selection and recommendation, in spite of selection by the selection committee and the recommendation by the governing body of say Deepul College, his appointment was not considered fit before the director of higher education Assam. Why? A fresh advertisement was issued in November 2022 for total 6 posts of laboratory bearer in St. Deepul College and 2 posts of grade 4 6 posts of laboratory bearer and 2 posts of grade 4. Following the roster points. However, meanwhile, the petitioner became overaged and as such, he could not apply for those advertised posts in Debut College. This petition by the petitioner for a direction to the respondent authorities to consider as past service, to give due weightage to his past service in the method of selection and appointment to college. And further, to regularize his service as a grade 2 laboratory bearer in Debut College, Dibrugarh. The petitioner has also prayed for an interim prayer not to give effect or approval to such selection to appointment of any fresh appointee in grade 4 post laboratory bearer in Dibrugarh College until regularization of service of the petitioner. Until regularization of his service. In the last interview, appeared or not?
Last even not appeared, but because he made application, but he is
Pursuant to the order dated 11/04/2023, and with regard to the communication of the principal of Debrugarh College, Dibrugarh, dated 09/01/2018, and Excel 4 to this petition. The Director of Higher Education Assam has placed before the court information by his communication with 11/04/2023 to Mr. K. Standing Council Higher Education Department. This will notice returnable by Sochi. There's such and such, no comment. Petitioner shall such and such. Petitioner shall take steps to service of notice on the respondent number 3, 4, and 5 by register post providing its correct. In addition, petitioner is also allowed to take steps on the respondent number 3, 4, 5 with justice service such and such. Any appointment, the post of grade 4 in Debrugarh College, Debrugarh College, Dibrugarh, in terms of the advertisement. This is in November 2022 for the post of laboratory bearer and grade 4 shall be subject to the outcome of this. Copy of the communication is essential for the
Lordship, we will file affidavit on the basis of their instruction. Lordship. No, Lordship, we have, Lordship. We have. Oblige, Lordship.
very clear. Also, an advertisement are issued on 13/10/2022, Lordship. Applications were invited for filling up the vacant sanction post of laboratory bearer and library bearer
Two posts were reserved for OBC candidate. Petitioner being the eligible candidate under the OBC category, he applied lordship, and thereafter he was called for written examination and for viva voce test lordship. Now, ultimately, after the interview, the petitioner came to know that one of the member of the selection committee, he is the near close relative of one of the selected candidate. That is the response number 8. And so far, the response number 6 and 7 is concerned lordship. They are also lordship blue-eyed person of the principal as well as the vice president of the college lordship. So that is why I have put to challenge the recommendation of the selection committee of the governing body of the college. So at this, the lordship may issue notice and the record may be called for the selection record until then not to finalize, because in the meantime the college authority has forwarded the particular recommendation to the director for its approval. So till the it will also not to finalize the recommendation made by the lordship.
Response number 8 is
Response number 8, Pinku Bora. He is the brother of the one of the member lordship, Himadri Bora. I have stated in my.
You have not made Himadri Bora a party respondent.
She is not a party respondent lordship. Because see, I have challenged the entire selection lordship of the college. In paragraph, I have stated in paragraph number at page 8, in paragraph number 5, in the middle portion lordship, I have stated.
You have applied for which post?
Both lordship, laboratory bearer as well as the library bearer lordship.
What is the advertisement?
Advertisement lordship will find at page. I have given the type copy also, page 20, annex 3. So for the serial number 3 and 4 lordship. Also kindly see RP, that is roster point 2. That post is reserved for OBC and MOBC. And so far the library bearer is concerned, only one post that is also reserved for OBC and MOBC.
Annex 3 you are talking about.
Annex 3, page 20. This is the type copy of the advertisement. Page 21, the original copy.
For the laboratory bearer.
Laboratory bearer lordship. Also kindly see the RP2, that is the roster point 2. That post is reserved for OBC and MOBC. So meaning the above, for so far the college is concerned, two posts of one post for laboratory bearer, one post for library bearer. So these two posts are reserved for OBC candidate. I am concerned with the OBC candidate. So thereafter the page 22, annex 4. This is issued from the college authority to the candidate lordship to appear in the written test, which was held on 9th of January 2023. Page 22, annex 4. And after qualifying, I appeared lordship on 9th of January. I have qualified in the written test. 40 marks were earmarked lordship for this written test.
No, just tell us, you applied for laboratory bearer.
As well as library bearer also, both.
Now, who has been recommended for library bearer?
Also, what happened also altogether lordship 31 candidates, that annex 5, page 23. These are the candidates who are selected for viva voce test. So out of these 30 candidate lordship, 7 candidates were recommended for these two post lordship, laboratory bearer as well as the library bearer. Now this is now pending with director approval.
And Mr. A.R. Top Builder, standing council had a petition for the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 303. The authorities of PK College Mirza, Dakhin Kamrup College Mirza, within bracket PK, Dakhin Kamrup. When it was issued, the advertisement?
It was issued on 13th of October 2022.
13/10/2022 issued an advertisement for filling up of various posts of non-teaching staff in the same college.
Then written test held on 9th of January.
4 posts of laboratory bearer. That includes 1 post at roster point 02 reserved for OBC/MOBC category, and 1 post of library bearer at roster point 11 reserved for OBC/MOBC category. The petitioner belongs to Saloi community. OBC/MOBC category. And being eligible, applied for the said post. For the post of laboratory bearer under roster point 02, as well as laboratory bearer under roster point 11. And he was given the call for written test.
Yes, 9th of January, page 22 and Annex 4.
Said college authority on 29/12/2022, intimating him that the written test will be held on 09/01/2023 from 10 AM to 11 in the college premise itself.
I appeared and qualified. And now the Annex 5 is the qualified.
Along with 14 others qualified in the written test and appeared in the VIVOC on 29/01/2023.
My name is roll number is at serial number 2.
Along with 29 others. Petitioner has now reliably come to know that the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 have been selected by the selection committee and recommended by the governing body of DK College Mirza for their appointment in a grade 4 post reserved for OBC and MOBC category. Laboratory bearer for the post of laboratory bearer and library bearer reserved for OBC and MOBC category. Petitioner submitted that on coming to know that one
Respondent number 8, Pinku Bora, is the brother of the one of the member, that is Himadri Bora.
respondent number 8, Pinku Bora, one of the selected candidate for the such reserve post of grade 4 laboratory/library bearer, is the brother of Sri Himadri Bora, who was the member of the selection committee of DK College Mirza. This post. Petitioner also stated that has reliably learned that he secured more marks than the respondent number 6 and respondent number 6, 7, and 8, but he was not considered for selection and appointment to the grade 4 post as advertised. Hence, this writ petition by the petitioner praying for setting aside was the recommendation of the selection committee of the governing body of DK College Mirza with regard to grade 4 oblique laboratory bearer / library bearer post reserved for OBC and MOBC. It is well said that the right of a petitioner accused to a particular post when appointment is given. Rule Five of the Assam College employees within Bucket Provincial Act 2010, framed under section 12 within Bucket 1 of the Assam College employees in Bucket Provincial Act 2005. having statutory force provides for recruitment of any such grade 4 post by direct recruitment where the governing body of the college is required to conduct the selection process and recommend to the director, who in turn shall issue orders of appointment. Rule 7 of the said 2010 rules provides that all appointment either by direct recruitment or by promotion shall be made by the director of the higher education on the basis of recommendation of the governing body, based on the recommendation of the selection committee / departmental promotion committee duly constituted. That all fresh appointments shall be made on receipt of police verification report. In the case in hand, it is the Director of Higher Education Assam who is required to verify the selection process on the basis of which the governing body of provincialized college recommends the name of the candidate for filling up of any such sanctioned post in that college. And the duty of the Director of Higher Education, while considering the recommendation and issuing appointment order, is not an empty formality. Since the Director of Higher Education Assam is yet to give its approval and issue appointment order with regard to the selection, with regard to the selection appointed to the post of laboratory bearer and library bearer, grade 4, reserved for OBC and OBC category, in say DK College, Mirja, in terms of the advertisement dated October 2022. The court is of the view that this repetition at this stage is premature. One, considering the above, the court is not inclined to exercise its power under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. However, petitioner is at liberty to approach the Director of Higher Education Assam by submitting a representation stating his grievances, both which along with a certified copy of his. In the event of filing any such representation by the petitioner on the said authority, so according consider such representation of petition in accordance with law.
That this presentation will dispose of within a time frame. So otherwise,
he will recommend, he will see
within a
if
time
there is
because
any
apparently, Lordship, the member is one of the.
submit your grievances. That's why.
That is the Lordship. The representative will dispose of within a time frame. Because otherwise, Lordship.
Just wait. Any such appointment to the post of such and such will be made on behalf of the disposal of the representation. After consideration of the representation to be filed by the petitioner as well.
Till the disposal of the representation.
How do you
not to finalize?
That is the last order.
That is why Lordship record will be called for. Instead of disposal, Lordship, records may be collected. If the record says something, I have no case, Lordship.
Mr. Without disposing of your representation, appointment shall not be made. That's the order.
Yes, Lord.
Yes,
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Yeah, please, I apologize for the inconvenience, my lord.
It's okay.
My lord, hearing the petitioner, my lord, the meta partition provincialization of services, my lord. Petitioner is the social science teacher, my lord, and he is the senior most teacher of the school. The lordship will find the detail in page number 30. That is the pro forma, my lord, that has been forwarded by the headmaster of the school, duly endorsed by him, my lord. Here the subjects are hearing. The date of appointment are there on basis of that particular, my lord, that the services of the teachers were
Tell
provincialized.
us when the service of this respondent number 6 and 7 are provincialized.
My lord, that is on, my lord, my lord, will file on page 16, my lord. Page 16.
When their service are provincialized? Already
No.
provincialized?
Provincialized, my lord.
When?
On, my lord, 4/2/2021.
And you have proposed this code now.
My lord, this petition was filed earlier, my lord.
Then what happened?
But it has not been listed.
Possible.
Well, earlier listed, but there is some, my lord, in between, there is some gap, my lord. Inadvertently, my lord, I have not. Pending.
Heard Mr. V.K. Das, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P. Bora, standing counsel. Department of School Elementary Education for respondent numbers 1,
4 and 5, my lord. 1, 2, 4 and 5, my lord.
4 and 5. Also heard MS Lejas Open for the respondent number 2. The petitioner, the respondent numbers 6 and 7, appointed as an assistant, were appointed as assistant teachers in Gandhi ME School. Thousand Golaghat, district Golaghat. South, under block elementary education officer, South block, under the South education, South block. South education block of district Golaghat. No service of the petitioner. This stated. Whether the district scrutiny recommended your case?
No, my lord, perhaps not, my lord. That record is.
It is submitted that without considering his better claim, the respondent authorities illegally provincialized the service of the respondent number 6 and 7 under the provisions of census 2017. It is submitted by the petitioner that your Prasanta Datta.
My lord, Prasanta Datta.
Please come to page 15. To teach what?
My lord.
He used to teach what?
My lord, as per this, my lord, he's arts stream, my lord.
Naturally.
Arts.
He joined the Sage School on 22/06/1970.
My lord, that is date of birth, my lord.
Joined the Sage School on
in 1994. Lord.
In 1994. Whereas the respondent number 6
is in 2003. Respondent number 6, Biren Tati, he is on 2003.
2003. And the respondent number 7.
That is on serial number 4, Sayamoni Gogoi. She is on 2003. Lots.
The both respondent number 6. Respondent number 6 and 7 were appointed in the year 2003. It is also stated that petitioner is to teach social science to the students of the Sage School, but the responding authorities violating provincialized the service of the respondent number 6 and 7 as tutors. When? In the year 2021 or 2022?
2021, my lord. 04 2021.
0402.
My lord, 4th of my lord, February 2021.
Being agreed, the petitioner has filed this petition on 01/09/2021. Guys, that of Visud Gyandeep School, order session 2009-10 as submitted by the headmaster of the said school reflects that the respondent numbers 6 and 7 used to teach language,
Language and my lord, respondent number 7 is mathematics. His code hearing is 2, lordship. Main subject taught.
whereas the respondent number 1, sorry, respondent number 6, in addition to language, he is to also teach all subjects. But the petitioner used to teach science.
Petitioner arts, my lord.
This 2 and 7, it is reflected. Your Prasanto Datta.
Prasanto number 7.
Main
7
subjects teaching.
All subject 1, code my lord 1, all subject 1, language 2.
That is why
Main
you
subject
are is to
taught, my
teach
lord.
2 and
Prasanto to 7, my lord.
1
7.
indicates all subject, my lord.
Science, my lord.
is to teach science.
Well, main set of my lord, that
No,
is
no, that's reflected in dice data. That's up to that science.
no, 7 indicates arts, my lord. My lord, numerical 1, my lord, that indicates all subject.
Then
My lord, 2 language. So, my lord,
3
my lord, environmental studies. 4
Reading.
sports.
No, my lord, mathematics. 3 mathematics.
you're reading wrongly.
3 mathematics. My lord, on this page 15.
All
serial-
subject 1,
Serial
language
number
2.
4, my lord, that is there. In the 19 my lord, dice code.
We also placed before the court that one Prabhakar Rajvamshi service was also provincialized.
So he's science, my lord, Prabhakar Rajvamshi. Maths and science.
We used to teach mathematics in that school. Before the directive. in the chairman of the state level selection committee. On or before 2nd of May. What is certificate? Hearing 6 and 7.
My lord, only one
Why
thing.
you
my lord.
happy?
No, my lord, that I'm arts, my lord, as part of this, my lord, code. Arts, logically, this on serial number 4. Arts, 7 indicate arts, man.
On or before 2nd.
My lord. Obliged.
Where is your petition? PLC Dhubri, that we need it for some time. Next one.
family pension is concerned herein, pension is concerned herein, my lord. As per my instruction, my lord, the provisional pension order has been issued. GIS has been sanctioned, earned leave has been sanctioned, pension paper forwarded to AG, everything has been done from our part.
When it was forwarded to AG.
On my lord.
Not Mr. R.S. Sohan, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Gogoi, understanding counsel.
Yes,
For the
yes.
respondent to SCRT. Let me send the counsel SCRT for the respondent numbers 2 and 5. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Gogoi submitted that petitioner has been provided with provisional pension and that way back in June 2022.
At the top,
11 papers have been submitted along with the pension proposal before the Accountant General AE Assam for payment of regular pension to the petitioner.
Yes.
Mr. Chauhan, any information regarding receipt of?
No, my lord. Till now, my
Not
lord,
received.
not payment. Payment is not given.
It has been communicated to the Treasury and AG.
By from AG office?
No, by the Director SCRT. So let the petitioner approach them, my lord. Lordship will keep it pending in the
No,
meantime.
no, it will go to AG first.
Yes.
From AG, it will go, the pension order
My
will go
lord,
to the.
No, pension payment order, it may take time.
No, it was in
Provisional pension.
2022.
Yes.
In June 2022.
Lordship.
So let us see what it is. Indicating, intimating the Treasury officer.
Mongol.
Mongol. For proper adjudication of this case, the Accountant General ANE Assam, party respondent number
3, my lord.
6. Place this matter on reflecting copy of the information placed before the court by Mr. Gogoi. Standing counsel is said today before the court will keep as a part of it.
Obliged.
Yes. Petitioners are the employee of the teaching staff and non-teaching staff of the senior madrasa. Now, said madrasa, my lord, fulfilled all criteria to be provincialized as per Act, my lord, 2011. Subsequently, what happened, my lord, as per Act of the 2011, altogether 633 numbers of madrasas were students shortlisted, and out of 633, my lord, Act of 2011 amended up to date after 2014, only 327 madrasas are provincialized, and the petitioners madrasas are left out. Subsequently, my lord, the said act was, my lord, repealed, and the Government of Education Department enacted, my lord, Act of 2018, my lord. And as per 2018, my lord, Government of Assam, respondent number, my lord, 3 directed to the respondent number 4-5 to submit list for
provincialize of the service of the employees of the madrasas, and accordingly, my lord, the petitioners madrasas submitted the list, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, during the pendency of the death scrutiny list, my lord, in the meantime, that refilling Act 2020, my lord, was passed. And as per Act, my lord, 2011, Section 4 and 5, my lord, Section 4 and 5 of 2011, my lord, already expressed its indication that those madrasas fulfill the conditions are the employees of the government sector. As per Act, page 14, para 8, as per Section 4 and 5 of the Act of 2011, the petitioner shall become the employees of the government of Assam from 1st January 2013. So only
MSP Das Burman. All the petitioners are employees of Dairyghat Senior Madrasa. Support district to free cancer educational institution. Petition numbers 1 to 16. Support the same. Whereas petitioner numbers 17, 18 are non-teaching staff of the same madrasa. It is claimed by the petitioner that they have been left out of provincialization under the Assam Cancer Madrasa Education Institution to advocate provincialization of service, which was Act 2011, which has been declared to be Albert in the independence. And also under the provisions of the Assam Madrasa Education would indicate provincialization of services of employees and reorganization of madrasa institutions related to Act 2018. Repealed India 2000 by the madrasa by the repealed India 2000 by repealing Act of 2000. As such, the petitioners have prayed for provincialization of their services under the provisions of the Assam Education Provincial Service Teachers 2017 as amended, as well as the Assam Education put in bracket provincialization of services non-teaching staff of health education. Petitioners also submit that because of the repealing Act of 2000 brought into force by the state government, say Dairyghat Senior Madrasa has been renamed as Dairyghat High School We are forgotten. Assam Secondary School. Assam Secondary Education within Bucket Provincial Services 2018. Because of non-provincialization of their services under the 2017 Act, as well as the 2018 for restaurant number 1 to 60 and 2018 for restaurant number 17 and 18. They are deprived of all such benefit of provincialization. Hence this declaration. It is an admitted position. And it is an admitted fact. The petitioner's school, namely Dehirghat Senior Madrasa, renamed as Dehirghat High School, the Venture Educational Institution. The full bench of this court, in the case of have provided that for any such provincialization, the services, the incumbent concerned may approach for that purpose and in compliance of the such and such the state government in the education department wide notification numbers ELC/WPC 2272/2013/403/196 grade 0206 2016, as well as notification number ELC/WPC 2272/2013/403/194 dated Agorkon Kichor Agor 03/12/2015, complying the order dated 19/03/2015 passed by the Honorable Court, Implement Application number 461/2011, 6019 Britannia, constituted educational tribunal in each of the districts of Assam, including the district of Dhuri, to adjudicate disputes relating to the teaching and non-teaching staff of such educational institution, including the claim for provincialization of the respective teaching and non-teaching staff of Venture Educational Institution within their respective territorial jurisdiction from the date of issuance of those notifications. In view of the above, this writ petition, this court is of the view that in exercise of the power under conferred under Article 166, trying to enter in this, the petitioners have the appropriate forum for raising of their grievances regarding provincialization of this services, regarding the claim of provincialization. According to the petitioners may approach the appropriate educational tribunal regarding their claim for provincialization. Sakya will need that document for some time because the order we could not complete. You have to, you just give it to us.
Within 10 minutes again.
What cases, Your Lordship? The petitioner.
Have you informed the IIT?
Your Lordship, not IIT, Your Lordship. She is pursuing ITI, Your Lordship. The main role is, yes, Your Lordship. The main role is DT, the Director Employment and Craftsman Training. Respondent 1, 2, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, she is a student, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, pursuing one advertisement notification that on that notification, the age was mentioned clearly, Your Lordship, page 20 to 21, annexure 3. It is also mentioned that the above notification, the age limit of the candidate is to be minimum 17 years and maximum 25 years as on 1st January 2023. And also it is notified that for SC and ST candidates, additional 3 years relaxation is there as per existing norms of Polytechnic. Now the petitioner, page, Your Lordship, 7, Your Lordship. Third line, Your Lordship. An annexure dated, Your Lordship, that is 15/12/22. I have annexed it, Your Lordship, in page number 20 and 21.
It is not there in the advertisement.
Yes, Your Lordship. Page 21, Your Lordship, age relaxation is there, Your Lordship, where it was clearly mentioned the age limit of ITI pass student is minimum 17 years and maximum 25 years as on 1st January 2023. For SC ST, additional 3 years as per existing norms of Polytechnic. Now, Your Lordship, she is 28 years, and as per the existing relaxation, Your Lordship, then she would be 25 years less, Your Lordship. And she is 28 years as on dated 1/1/2023. And there is one merit list has came out, Your Lordship, where her name has been reflected in serial 6. That is annexed, Your Lordship, annexure 4. Serial number 6. Gitika Banik, Your Lordship, and average, Your Lordship, 60.16%. And she is category from Sidil caste community, which I have annexed it. Annexure 2, page 19. SC certificate, annexure 2, page 19. As per the merit list, she applied for counseling process, Your Lordship. Money receipt has been annexed in annexure 5B, page 26. Rupees 250 has been paid by her, Your Lordship, for counseling. And thereafter, Your Lordship, on dated 22/3/2023, her counseling has taken place, Your Lordship, and by verifying authorities, Your Lordship, her name has been rejected by showing the cause of overage. Annexure 6, Your Lordship, page 27. Then one person named Dipankar Malakar, who is in waiting list, That annexure also marked, your lordship, in page 28, annexure 7. One person is there from scheduled caste community, and he secured 56.43%. Rejecting the petitioner, your lordship, from the merit list, this person, Dipankar Malakar, has allotted the seat, electrical engineering in Polytechnic, Morigaon.
Whether he took admission?
Yes, your lordship. Admission has taken place on 5/4/2023. After published of the merit list, your lordship, one reject list also published, your lordship. There everything has mentioned, but her name has not been reflected in reject list, which I have annexed in page 29 and 30 as annexure 8. Her name has not been shown, and grounds has also not been mentioned there in that reject list. My humble prayer is that, your lordship, she may allot the seat, your lordship, as she is entitled to that, and her name has been reflected in merit list, and as per the notification itself says clearly, your lordship, that the ITI pass student is minimum 17 years and maximum 25 years as on dated 1 January 2023. Legal aid.
Legal aid council.
Legal aid council, your lordship.
And Mr. Builder, standing council clarification.
Correspondent 2 lots.
Mr. P. Sekar, standing council, Land and Government Advocate, Assam, for the respondent number 1. And Mr. Ravi, standing council, for respondent number 2. Director of petitioner obtained her BCom degree from Guwahati University in the year 2016 and also obtained National Trade Certificate from a 2 years ITI course. Month of July, Industrial Training Institute ITI Guwahati, and also belongs to
Annexure 2.
Scheduled caste community. Subcaste Betal, BRITTAL, Bonia, Bonia. The Director of Employment and Craftsman Training, Assam. On which date this advertisement was issued?
Issued on 15/12/2022. That has been, your lordship, mentioned, your lordship, as annexure 3, Assam Tribune paper, your lordship. And also,
on which date it was published in the Assam Tribune? Which date it was published in the Assam Tribune?
your lordship, pardon, your lordship. Page 20 and 21, annexure 3.
No.
Assam Tribune,
Which
Guwahati,
date?
Guwahati,
Which
Guwahati.
date? Date.
Oh, date, your lordship. Your lordship, 15/12/2022.
It's an advertisement published in the newspaper on 15th. So the notification regarding lateral entry to Polytechnic. Converting applications. Permanent residents of Assam who have passed ITI courses, post-metric trades from Industrial Training Institute of Assam, session commencing from March 2023. Branches of engineering like civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, computer, instrumentation, chemical, mechanical integrated photo, fashion technology, and modern office management, specifying that the
entry.
The age limit of IIT pass student is minimum 17 years and maximum 25 years. As on 1st January 2023, where for reserved category of SC and ST, additional 3 years as per existing norms of Polytechnic, additional TSA for reserved category as per existing norms of Polytechnic. The said notification dated such and such also clarified. The selection in the specific grants would be given in order of merit of the ITI trade test plus HSLC knowledge. And that students have to pay the sum of money at the time of admission in Polytechnic as per norms of the Polytechnic. The petitioner being eligible, the date of birth of the petitioner.
Date of birth.
As per our class 10 past Board of Secondary Education, the class 10 plus passing. Class 10 Board of Secondary Education.
1/1/1995.
1st January. As the petitioner fulfills the requisite eligibility applied for her such lateral entry to Polytechnic Assam, and her name figured at serial number 6 in the electrical engineering. The schedule cost merit list at serial number 6. Published by whom?
Published by DTE, Your Lordship, Director, Employment and Craftsman Training, Assam, Rehabari.
This is past issued by Director of Technical Education or
Employ-
by whom?
Director, Employment and Craftsman Training, Assam, Rehabari.
Advertisement.
Yes,
What
Your
about
Lordship.
this merit list? Who published this merit list?
And Mary. ITI.
Employment and Craftsman Training.
Why do you do it?
It's 22 years.
Is number
Employment,
20.
Your Lordship.
Who is-
Director, Technical Education, Assam,
It has been issued by the DT.
DTE.
Director of Employment and Craftsman Training, Assam. Where the selection has been purely on the merit basis. The ITI trade test and reservation policy as per existing norms. As the petitioner's name figured in the provisional select list at serial number 6 under SC category for the branch of electrical engineering. See, deposited counseling fee 260 for her lateral entry in the Polytechnic, and You appeared when?
Your lordship, dated 22/3/2023.
And on 22/03/2023, she appeared at Assam Engineering Institute, Chanmari, for her counseling. But her candidature has been rejected, considering her to be overage. And in her place, candidate whose name was reflected as the respondent number 3 was placed in the waiting list of scheduled caste, the electrical engineering branch, who secured
56.43%,
was considered for admission to lateral entry in the Polytechnic. Though the petitioner secured 60.16% in the merit position, and was of 28 years as on 1st January 2023, as per her admit card, as per her date of birth, admit card by Board of Secondary Education Assam. Petitioner has also brought to the notice of the court that though a list of candidates whose names have been rejected electrical engineering branch or lateral entry for lateral entry of ideal students in the polytechnics of Assam, but the said list do altogether consist of 20 names, but did not contain the name of the petitioner. Petitioner submitted as she belongs to scheduled caste community or upper age. Was 28 years as on 01/01/2023, considering her date of birth as 01/01/1975.
1995.
Yes, for illegally rejecting her candidature for admission in the ITI, the Polytechnic of Assam, as lateral entry for the Polytechnics from ITI. So notice returnable by 2nd of May.
Only one seat.
Second.
Such and such no formal notice. Petitioner is submitted during the course of the honor before. Petitioner shall take the purpose of petition raised a motion check. Providing it's correct and corrected. respondents number 1 and 2 shall keep. By this time, the admissions are over, then. I
Your
don't
lordship,
know.
only two places, your lordship, Gwalpara and Dhemaji, one seat is available in electrical engineer.
How do you know?
Your lordship, as per knowledge, your lordship.
According to-
Kindly one seat may be kept for
Petitioner
her,
has
your
submitted
lordship.
As on the one seat each, one seat each in the branch of electrical engineering. The Gwalpara and Dhemaji State Polytechnics of Assam is lying vacant. Until further order of the court, the respondent authorities number 1 and 2 shall not fill up one post of electrical engineering in the State Polytechnics of Assam for the lateral entry to Polytechnic. We have passed ITI course in post-matric pledge from Industrial Clinics of Assam. The session commencing from March.
Deeply
If
obliged.
my lord, post is not already filled up. If post is not already filled up, my lord, it is the statement of.
The post is not.
Deeply obliged.
The admission of the respondent number 3. The electrical engineering. The SC merit quota shall be subject to the outcome of this.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr. William.
My lord, I am sorry to mention at this hour, my lord. My lord, I have a motion item. It had been wrongly listed as an admission, my lord. Item number 33, my lord.
What is the standing council?
Lord, my friend is there and my lordship was also CBSE, my lord. My lord, Ranu Bora madam has left out of station, my lord. And I informed her son also, my lord, said that madam is not available. My lord, our main grievance is.
25th or 26th, any day.
My lord, our main.
We'll consider that.
My lord, if in the meantime, my lord, the select list is published, then the third party right may come up.
Here also, my lord, learned AG has to appear, my lord, so.
25th, 26th.
My lord,
Any day.
my lord.
After, my lord, 25th.
When you want, 26th.
It will be better for me, my lord.
26th.
My lord.
26th.
Item 33. my lord.
Obliged.
Obliged.
So it will be listed for motion.
Is it
For motion.
My lord.
On 26th.
My lord, my lord.
26th.
Your Lordship, may kindly see the last order passed in the IA. The expert opinion from the Guwahati University is called for, Lordship, by order dated 1st of February 2023. What on that? 1st of February.
Mr. Bora,
My lord,
some of the teachers are teaching environmental studies
my lord,
and somebody are teaching social science.
my lord.
But
That is why the issue is, Lordship, whether that environmental studies is a part of the social science or not. I mean, Mr. Khatamia, he last time he informed me that some instruction is received from the Guwahati University.
the DICE doesn't have any such subject called social science.
Well,
It has the
Environmental
studies, which is number as 4.
well,
And basically, the elementary education department should clarify the list of subjects
well,
that are required of the students of the elementary or primary school. Right?
my lord.
At the time of giving of recognition, of course, not like other higher secondary schools or college, subjects are not given. But it is on the basis of the syllabus.
My lord.
So, as per the syllabus of upper primary school, is there any requirement of appointment of any such teacher to teach social science?
Well,
Environmental science is different, social science,
well,
or it is.
Social studies, somebody says.
Social studies actually, my lord.
So
someone calls.
here is social science or social studies,
Well,
social science.
well,
So is there requirement of any such appointment? Because in the advertisement for provincialized schools, what we have seen, art, science,
well,
that much on,
well,
nothing else.
well,
Difficulty arose only
We do
after.
not know why the provincial education institution are appointing teachers. They met maximum, they can say all subjects. Why they are saying environmental science or something. I was also student of an ME school, I know,
well,
right?
well,
So I studied in MCME.
well,
What are the subjects at point of time? But I have seen the books, not much of sense, of course, some of the new, I would say, not topics, but some of the things are highlighted in their books.
well.
In fact, let's say after the RTA, let's say this concept of social sciences is crept up, let's say. That is why they have incorporated. And this subject concern is only related after this 2017 Act. But as Lordship is very much aware, Lordship, before 2017, there is no subjects like social studies, environmental studies, everything, Lordship. Only after the RTA Act of
But one thing, high school level and class 8.
Yes, social studies we have studied. Social studies we have studied.
Since now it is in upper primary.
Yes.
Only
It is up to 7 grade as a class.
Huh? Yes.
Sorita Path was there in the elementary.
Yes.
So it
Actually-
will have nothing to do with moral science.
Moral
Saritra part is a different thing.
It is moral science.
But the school is my lord, imparting classes to up to class 7. So the social science as part of my lord act is a 3-1-11, my lord. The 3 subject my lord post will be appointed, subject is given. my lord.
Somewhere the time of consideration of giving recognition, there will be something which are the teachers you require. Because at the time of inspection of the schools, definitely the deputy inspector of schools will look into it. they are doing what kind of things that.
But the environmental
uh,
studies is a wider concept. Lots.
Environmental
So-
studies
social-
basically in the college level. This is not in the even
Social
higher secondary
science-
level also.
The social science is a part of the environmental studies. The environmental study is a very wider concept. The social science, it studies only like history, geography, politics, but the environmental studies need cover everything also.
Only
Along with
subjects,
the.
only science subject, only
I
science
have-
subject.
Yes, Loja, I have,
Can be arts teacher and science.
yes, from the
teacher,
Wikipedia,
right?
Loja, I have taken out the what is environmental
That is
study.
not because these are all school level, not
Yes.
at the undergraduate.
But in the school level also, Lordship.
Environmental science is only related to science subject.
It is a study
Not
of
art subject.
human interaction with the environment, Lordship. But what it consists, Lordship, mainly, Lordship, the last line. The field encompasses study in basic principles of ecology, environmental science, as well as associated subjects like ethics, geography, anthropology, policy, education, politics, urban planning, law, economics, philosophy, sociology, social studies, etc. But these social studies, its concept is narrow. Lordship. It comprises, Lordship, only history, culture, geography, and political science. So that is why my submission is that environmental studies is a wider concept. It is this, that is why the social studies or social science is a part of the environmental studies. In fact, Lordship, the Department of Environmental Studies, they have given the opinion that Mr. Khatnari informed me, but what is their opinion, Lordship, that of course I have not seen. So let the authority may put in a record, Lordship, let them file an affidavit on the basis of the report submitted by the Guwahati University. In fact, Lordship, there is an order of 1st of December, February 2023. Now, only issue remains is whether environmental studies is a part of the social science or not. Because his claim is also that she is teaching social studies. In the DIAS report, it is seen that I am still teaching Lordship, so environmental studies. So it is only the expert who can give the opinion, Lordship.
Mr. Bora, I'm sure some guidelines have been issued by the elementary education, the upper primary, regarding the teaching things. Say we are having this particular you guys subject course.
Yes, you guys is there.
Photostat copy from one of the subjects from yesterday you case.
Yes.
Taken out this. In one of the you guys.
But the-
subject codes are there.
Yes, I have annexed those.
But we are having a subjects taught, then there are categories taught. Yes. All subjects 1. Language is 2.
Yes,
Mathematics is 3. Environment studies 4.
4.
Sports 5. Music 6. Science 7. Social studies 8. Accountancy 10. Biology 11. Business studies 12. Chemistry 13. Computer science 14. Economics 15. Engineering drawing 16. Fine arts 17. Geography 18. History 19. Home science 20. Philosophy 21. Physics 22. Political science 23. Psychology 24. Foreign language 25. Botany 26. Zoology 27. Assamese 28. Bengali 30. Boro 31. Arabic 32. Hindi 41. Sanskrit 43. Urdu 45. English 46. Regional language 47. Art education 91. Health and physical education 92. Work education 93. Others 0. So here, this particular you guys, this is in the format of as per the RTA Act. Doesn't have the social science. It has environmental studies and it has the social studies. Doesn't have a social science. So what's the point of teaching? You are keeping a teacher as a social science.
This is a compilation of the all category of the institution up to the college level.
This is up to college.
College level. So wherever subject will be required, they as per that will be DIAS code will follow.
That's true. So DIAS code, this is on.
But environmental sciences never comes.
For upper primary.
Upper.
What are the teachers report? Science arts.
True.
Right. So.
Science is one teacher for teaching science and maths. And the one is language and another is social science, my lord. Social science covering the others aspect.
That is what the issue arises.
Social studies, not
Social studies, yes. my
But
lord.
it recognizes social science.
Social studies, my lord.
So social science, that is why question arises whether social science is a part of the
But this-
environmental studies or not.
But the environmental science is, my lord, whatever my lord,
It is
understanding is
not for
this.
class 6, 7, 8.
It is, my lord, the
But
environment.
the DIAS code or the UDAS report, it recognizes the environmental studies only. Whereas my petitioner, his teaching subject is environmental studies. It is clearly reflected.
But
This-
Environmental studies is a particular topic in the class 6, 7, 8 in upper
Yes,
primary or
yes,
not?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Environmental
Yes,
studies, there are-
that is what the report
Environmental,
says.
environmental study is not there, my lord.
No, no. it is-
Environmental study is
Let's
not there, my
kindly
lord.
see the objection
No,
petition.
no, this is a common. my lord.
Ask NECC to be here, just CGC.
Now, this
Why we
record,
need CGC?
this record is maintained by.
Because after the RT came into force, everything is done by the NCT. And this UDICE is maintained by
Yeah, SSA, SSA as well as NUPA lordship. NUPA,
right.
but this is a
NUPA will be
report of
represented
the
by-
NUPA lordship.
This is by NUPIA.
Yes,
So necessarily,
it
what are the
recognized.
subjects for upper primary? It can be
Class-
considered to be given by the
Class
NCT
6,
only,
yes, class 6
not
to
by
8.
anybody else.
Yes.
Because they will have NCT.
Syllabus.
NCT, I don't know whether they have given the, because the course curriculum is not the NCT's duty. It is only the, for the purpose of teachers.
No, it is NCT
It is
because
the
they have,
NCT will look
because when they have, let's say, applied for TET examination, this syllabus is prescribed. The syllabus contain the curriculum of this paper lordship. Because paper, there are 4
You get the
numbers of
information.
papers. So it is the NCT, they may
You
lordship.
tell us
syllabus.
on the next date, what is the curriculum for the NCT, for the upper primary schools? And who sets this? Whether it is the NCT
Yes.
or the central government in his education department. Then we will make something. thereafter.
Lot.
They follow the NCT curriculum, my lord. This is
Yes,
I-
NCT is for the teachers, not for the students.
No, my lord, NCRT, my lord, I am wrong, my lord. NCRT.
Let us see what comes first.
NCRT curriculum they are following, but the
Yes, yes.
publication is under different name.
Have it after vacation.
After,
Sometimes with month of May,
yes, Lord. Otherwise, I am.
9th of May.
Lord. Obliged.
Bas, my lord.
What is there in this matter now?
My lord, I am the respondent and lead petitioner, and there is a contempt petition filed by me which is pending. And
Or state, where is Rajesh Majumdar not to be seen? Earlier also he took time in this matter. What happened? State has filed a review time after
Madam.
time. You just see here.
my
How
lord,
many dates it has gone? See here.
my lord,
Mr. Bora,
interesting fact is that this review is against the only payment part. They are trying to waiving of the payment compensation, but is still not giving my grievance.
second meet.
My lord, may I pray to, if possible, contempt case number 354 may be
We'll have
taken.
it, let the review come first, then we'll see. Are you appearing in 27? Registry shall reflect the name of R. Islam and Miss M. Deka for the respondent number 4, as well as Mr. M. Khan and Mr. M. Khan, comma, as well as and Mr. M, as well as Mr. M. Khan, Mr. J. Rahman, and Mr. R. Islam. What is restaurant number 5 in the cause list? We have filed their respective Upalat numbers on 27/10/2021 and 08/10/2021. Service of notice is complete on all the respondents. Place this matter for admission. Just a minute. Reflecting the name of such and such in the first list. Yes, Mr. Borgia.
This matter regarding review of the order, my lord. Government side has not filed my affidavit.
How many respondents are there?
Eight. My lord, total 8, my lord. Obliged. The matter is relating to compensation acquisition of land under Land Acquisition Act. And some small correction. In the order, I was directed to file a petition before the arbitrator, which I have already done, but only some number and dates, my lord, such as page number 12.
I'll have it in some next date, not today.
Okay.
Who was there in the other side?
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 5 and 6 on behalf of Sibur.
Five and six.
Which I this year.
Registry shall leave this matter on 2nd May, reflecting the name of CGC along with other council in the respondent forum. Yes.
Well, the writ petition LCR may be called for, or the record of writ petition may be called for.
We'll have it, it's there.
May please, the Lordship. Lordship is aware, very much
Yes,
aware.
matter. It's about to be delivered. We could have thought of doing it today.
Yes, Lord.
We'll have it sometimes on. Okay, we'll have it sometimes around 11, but before that, this order will be passed. Okay.
Highly obliged.